Percy wake up.
Yeah.
Oh.
Percy's waking up.
I wake up. I wake up.
Who got this for you? Natty. Tell Mama who got you this fun toy. Did Mimi and Papa get this for you?
Me, Papa.
Yeah, do you like it? What is it?
This one's so sleeping.
Those guys are sleeping?
Yeah. They're in there.
Tell me who all the engines are. Tell me who they are and show me. Where's Percy?
There's Percy.
Okay, who else is there?
That's Thomas.
Thomas, and who else?
And Birdie.
Birdie.
And Edward.
Edward.
And Mavis.
Mavis,
And Henry.
Henry.
And Gordon.
Gordon.
Okay.
Who else? Where's Toby?
There's Toby.
There's Toby. Where's Harold?
There's Toby here.
Oh. Where is James?
Said somebody.
He's in the shed.
Is he sleeping?